the vlog or what?
I can start only once you are ready, you know.
Start.
Mama, we are waiting for you.
2 minutes. While recording. I told you to give me 2 minutes. Why you don't listen? Huh?
I am giving you time. What am I doing? I am just recording.
We are just being silent.
Yeah. We are giving you all the time and space in the world.
Yes. But Mama thinks that we don't give her time.
Chal done.
Finally ready? So Jesus will come in the middle.
And where I will come.
Okay. Ready? Hey guys, welcome back to
Life with the Sequeras.
Okay, many of you have been complaining that we are not uploading our vlogs regularly, and we apologize for that. But the situation was such where first Hriday fell sick, then I fell sick, then baby fell sick, and on top of that we had other things to cater to: Hriday's school and my shows and never-ending drama of the Sequera family. So now we have overcome all of those, and today we decided it's time we visit a place that Pooja loves the most. She finds at peace. Maybe you want to talk about it because I don't know that place properly, so it's better if you explain it well.
Yeah, so basically it's a place about my Sadguru, whom I follow, whom I believe in. So मला असं वाटतं की whatever is happening in the past few months, तिथे जाऊन मला जरा बरं वाटेल. It's been a long time I've not been there. So आज आम्ही तिथे चाललोय.
So even if you guys have a spiritual leader or a spiritual guru or somewhere or some place that makes you happy or at peace, please visit it. Your partner might not might not believe in it. In my case, that in our case, that's a scenario. But if she finds that peace being there, I will be the first one to drop her there. In this case, even I'm going to be with her, so she comes to church. So it can't be that I don't go and visit her. So it should be from both the ends. The only difference maybe is in our Catholic religion, it's specifically mentioned that you can't go anywhere apart from the church, which I respect, but then sometimes you have your own way of living, and I don't think it's wrong to visit other places and be at peace. It's completely fine. So many of you are watching this will have problems that I go there and all, but then it's my life here. Let me do whatever I want. Just be happy watching the vlog is what I would say. Right? So first we're heading there. After that we have some plans to meet our friends. So let's see how it works. Hriday, are you excited?
Yes.
No school today for you,
Yes.
and holiday for baby as well. So let's see how this weekend unfolds. Yay, let's go.
Yes.
inside. You go ahead, take ahead so that we can park.
Inside they won't allow? Oh, you have to remove shoes and all. But will they be a this and all? What do you say? To keep inside and all. चोरी हुआ तो. Ah, okay, in that, yeah. Nice. Happy home.
Like the place, like the temple
Right to Prasad.
and the temple.
Too good, very peaceful. What have you taken?
शेव बर्फी.
Sev barfi.
मराठीमध्ये शेव बर्फी.
Sev. Looks so tasty, no Hriday?
ये 250 ये और ये
I wonder where this castle got.
See there. No, so we took pav kilo of these two and pav kilo of sev barfi. Where are we? Hey, bundi sev is not there. Bundi sev hai kya? हाँ, we'll take bundi sev also.
सेव नहीं मिलेगा, बूंदी मिलेगा सेव.
सेव मिलेगा ना?
मिलेगा मगर
This is what we got. Maybe. Sure, let's go out. For this and all, no, in case you want to get it delivered. Coming to the most side. Oh, freak, what crowd, yaar. This is the Holy Spirit Hospital. We parked the car right in front of the bus stop, which is not allowed.
One, two, three, start. चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा, पापा, मेरे पापा.
Yeah, I got. After so long, did I give it to you?
Are those puris?
Atare
Oh.
Jala. Where you went, baby?
So hot. Hirsch Bakery.
You also took a vlog, no?
A bit.
Then I
There
will.
are so many mosquitoes, and there you have to stand in line. One thing I like about Hirsch Bakery is, apart from the amazing food that they serve, it's their discipline, you know, in line. Everybody has to be in line to buy stuff. There's no special treatment. So stand in line and get whatever you want. Yeah, he was behind.
Good.
We didn't get anything to drink, but
It's okay.
where do we go and eat now?
The garden.
Where do we go and eat now?
We recorded a sweet song for you. So when you watch this vlog, you let me know how you feel, okay?
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Let's see.
ये नहीं.
Father Agnel Ashram. This is Father Agnel School. कुछ ढूंढने है, कुछ और ही बना.
This is Taj Lands. Alright. Best part are to see these queues. We'll go up. You want to take something and go up, Meena?
Yeah, we go up.
After long, we are coming here, no? They are planning to make a museum, it seems. There is a doggy there.
Yes, everyone's standing. That only. See, everyone is standing and all. Very at the Cooper.
Mannat. See, this is one Nishara.
He's come down. What? He's come
Sunday.
out.
Sunday ko aayega.
Hear some music while eating.
You want to hear some music while eating? Wow. Okay, so first and foremost, give me the bag. Let me show them, show our viewers what I've got actually from Hirsch Bakery. I'm happy that they've given a plastic bag at least.
I'll remove.
Yeah, remove. Oh, these are wine biscuits. I love them. Hriday also like them.
Wine biscuits. Does
Yeah.
it have wine?
No.
Just called wine.
Yes.
Why?
Okay.
Just for name. Like how you have a fruit beer, soda, but there's no beer in it.
I think these are the chicken burgers.
Burgers, yeah. Oh, now they have stopped giving it in boxes. Okay. You want
Oh, it has chips.
chips? Yeah, everything is there.
My mouth is already watering.
Mm.
And the burger. You want me to open and show?
No, while eating, we can show them. That's fine. Just want to show what all things are brought.
Okay. I'll keep it aside. Do they take fold your packet? Sit down. Darling.
We got a really very good view. Like, just park the car right in front of this and amazing. It's raining. It's so beautiful. Chalo, totally worth it.
Again, this
3 chicken burgers I ordered.
No, then this is.
There's one mutton roll also. There'll be a long roll
Yeah.
which you're quite familiar with. Yeah.
Mutton
The-
roll.
Mutton roll, yes. That's it.
The samosa.
Samosas, yes. Hriday wanted samosa, no?
Order, but I know what you got.
Hriday wanted samosas, no? So I got a dozen of them. A dozen is? Yeah, the mini samosas. Chicken ones.
Chalo now, let's see.
Yeah, let's eat. Alright, so what are we eating for? Let me try the samosa. Oh, they look good.
Samosas.
These are the mini samosas. They're good.
I love samosas. No
Mm.
matter what kind of they are.
You mean what filling it has? You love the samosa.
Oh, kind of, matlab, if a samosa is fallen down on the floor, you eat it. Then
Except for the fallen down ones.
tissue paper.
Sit down, sit down.
I can use it as the way.
Use it. We need to get paper plates here.
Idiot.
Beautiful view.
You're going to have the mutton roll? Should I keep it behind?
No.
Keep it behind, darling.
What the fuck is doing?
Video is on.
Looks like he was. Here you get all these idiot people. You want to stand there for some time? The burgers are amazing.
Yeah,
people are running here and there. Look at those girls dancing.
People take their mayo, only their mayo. But that mayo will only taste good with burger, nothing else. You're having the burger the first time? You're having the burger the first time?
Yeah, burger.
See, they're mother, son, and mother, father, and son.
And one umbrella.
Love the mayonnaise.
You watch your burger, Hriday.
Why?
You love the mayonnaise? Why means you're going to drop it down.
He wants. The best part is rains.
Yeah, heavy rains. And you know, stop
I
the.
love you also.
Yeah. Check out the heavy rains. You got a good view. No?
And seriously, bolta na, the struggle of sitting in the car and eating in the rains, that backstory we only know how much we have done to reach here. Otherwise, you remember the days when we would sit on the scooty and roam here and there.
And we wouldn't have been able to even enjoy our food anywhere. I mean, the moment we reach home, it would be soggy, this, that.
Yeah.
At least now we can have the samosas, the burger, the wafers, everything included.
Everything.
Yeah.
Even McDonald's.
And not get wet as well and enjoy the view. Finally, the rain stopped and we have come out. Baby is still eating. She's like, I'll finish my wafers and only I'll come out.
See, well, look.
Ah, so many birds, no? They all are vultures and eagles. They take, huh? Come. Take. Say thank you. ये लीजिए. Have. You like this a lot, no?
Chana chor garam. Chana jor garam.